Okay, hi, this is a recording on Panopto to show you how to tabulate your data in Microsoft Excel, how to plot a graph as an XY scatter graph, and then how to add a trend line. So what you'll be seeing is a screen capture from my MacBook Pro, but this process works the same on all Microsoft Excel softwares, whether it be PC or Mac based. So let's go to Excel first of all. Let's open it up. I'm just going to, I don't want to check for updates. Here we go. Just want to open a workbook. So let's just call this data, let's just zoom in first. Let's just call this data X, this data Y. And let's put some values in for X. These are just random values. They don't have to be in relation to the kind of data that you've obtained during the Bio 132 practical. So let's just do simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then for the Y data, let's go up in, say, 5. So we'll start off, we'll go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and we'll finish on 50. Okay, so if you want to create a graph, you simply just highlight your data and then go to Insert, Chart, and then you want to choose Scatter, and you choose Mark Scatter like this. It presents a graph which looks something like this. So you have your X data here and your Y data there. As you can see, this essentially just produces a straight line. Now, your data will not be ideal like this. You will not have an exact straight line. You may do, but I'll be surprised if you actually did. Nevertheless, this data represents a straight line, and you can use a function in Excel to fit a trend line. So the best way for you to do that is if you just highlight over a point, and then if you right click and then go down to add trend line. If you want a linear trend line, of course, let's go to options, and you can do things like display the equation on the chart. Hit that, press OK, and you can see the equation here in the form of y equals mx plus c is y equals 5x. Obviously, there is no plus c because the intercept in this instance is 0. So the equation for a straight line can be simply expressed as y equals 5x. Let's see what we do if we change the trend line. So what you can do is you can go back in, right click, format trend line. You can set the intercept as 0 if you so wish. That's something that you might want to do if you're selecting data from the practical at the lower end of the spectrum. So if you do that, nothing changes, but if your data was scattered all over the place, you can essentially set the trend line to go through 0. So that is how you plot your data in Excel and how you set a trend line.